Hi ladies, I've got a quick instant fix for tired eyes. I've done this eye and I've not done this eye, and I'm going to show you how it works. So I've got, first of all, Lid Lift Enhance. I'm using it to conceal my dark circles. I've actually also used it all around my face to conceal redness, veins. I'm going to put that shade under my eyes, which is Lighthearted, because I've got a little bit of a tan for me. Then I'm using Fairosol. Look how tiny amount I'm using on my eyelids. I'm taking it from my lash line right up to my brow bone. Now this product is a concealer, it's a lid primer, it's a natural day shadow. It comes in 3 shades. The 3rd shade you can actually use to bronze or contour with. You can have a read of the reviews and it will show you how our customers use it. So this is going to lift and brighten my eye area and going to make me look more awake. It's my go-to in the morning. If I do nothing else, I just do this. Next, I'm going to show you brows so you can see the difference. I use black or brown depending on what mood I'm in, because I quite like my brows very dark. Now, if you've got greying or fading brows, this brow product is fantastic for you because it has a daily tint in it. So I've actually not had my brows tinted for over a year because it's daily tinted with this. It's very easy to do. You do need some hairs, so even if they're overplucked and really sparse, it will work, but you need to have hairs for it to grab onto. The Lash Dream Team, I mean, look at the difference. So these two, code FFL and code VLM, is our lash primer and our Ultimate Everyday Mascara. So I'm going to show you, look at this brush, old school brush. Makeup artists love it because they know that you can work it to get it in between the roots, get it to wriggle like we all do, but then roll the brush through, and that's going to give you length, volume, thickness and separation. Now when you put this on, it actually doesn't look like it's doing anything at all, but it's coating and conditioning the lashes, and then you really see the difference when you put the mascara over the top. Obviously you can use any mascara you want to, but the Ultimate Everyday Mascara, code VLM, I would recommend just because you'll get the same results as what I've got here today. So they're all vegan, they're all cruelty-free. We're a British brand owned by myself and my sister Emma, and we've been around for 10 years. Have a read of all the reviews. We've got some wonderfully loyal customers that share their views on our website, so please do have a look. So this is the mascara. In theory, you let it dry for about 30 seconds and then you put this on over the top. You do the same technique, roots, wriggle and the twist and roll, and that will give you length and volume and thickness. I mean, I could build it as much as I wanted to, but actually I like my lashes quite natural, so I don't want to go too over the top, but you can just see there, and it will last all day. And I think that is the reason I made this mascara, was I was absolutely sick to death of seeing ads. I would buy the product, I'd get it home and I would be constantly disappointed. And that's why I created my brand, because I was just sick to death of seeing the ads and then the product didn't work. So we specialize in making products that help women feel naturally vibrant every day, that do what they say they will, and we have a 2-week money back guarantee. So if you try it and it's not for you, you can send it back and get a full refund. But read the reviews and please tell me what you think.